Very good evening to one and all present here.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Kindly sit with pen and paper. It is a workout session. So if you don't sit with pen and paper, I'll give you a minute time to grab a pen and paper, because without that, you cannot understand how the session is going to be. I'll give you 1 minute time. Okay, thanks for your patience. We can start the session. I request your attention. Kindly get free from any disturbances. Okay, this session is from ICT. It's called a number system. Occasionally, you will get question from number system. So it is very basics which you studied in your computer science paper, probably in 6th to 8th standard syllabus. Okay, for this model, as much as possible, we have followed some shortcuts. Okay, is my screen visible? I'm showing a handwritten PDF.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the first problem is 101.01. It is in the binary. Binary means 2, correct? So the base value is 2. But what we need, convert into decimal, correct? Decimal means base value should be 10. Okay, write all those numbers in this order: 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Whenever something is after decimal, we should start with -1 in the power. So 1. Okay, always the last digit starts with 2 to the power of 0. So this is 2 to the power of 0, this is 2 to the power of 1, this is 2 to the power of 2. Okay, whenever decimal number comes, you should start something like this: 2 to the power of -1, 2 to the power of -2. Up to this clear? Any doubt?
Okay. No, sir.
Yeah. So now we should know the power table of 2. So normal square table we know, but minus square table, it is available in the internet. You can download. Okay. What is 2 to the power of -1? What is 2 to the power of -2? This table is available in the internet. You can go and download. Right. So 2 to the power of anything to the power of -1 is 0. 2 to the power of -2 is 0.25. So 1 into 2 to the power of 0 equal to 1. 0 into 2 to the power of 1 equal to 0. Because I told you anything multiplied with 0 is also 0. 1 into 2 to the power of 2 equal to 4. Totally 5.25 is the decimal value. Clear? 5.25 is the decimal value. Is it clear? For this binary value, if you convert decimal means base value is 10. Whatever we are practically dealing everyday mathematics is a decimal value. A base value is 10. Is it clear? Shall I move on? People who want can take a screenshot, or you can copy. Takes just 30-40 seconds to copy. Okay, let me move on to next one. Okay, binary to decimal, only normal number. There is no decimal value. Decimal means point value. There is no point. Okay, 101 whole number. Okay, so this 1 into 2 to the power of 0, and this 0 into 2 to the power of 1, and this 1 into 2 to the power of 2. So what decimal value you will get? 1 plus 0 plus 4 equal to 5. If it is clear, type S in the chat box. Just S, single letter S. We will move to the next question. So decimal means you have to do 2 to the power of minus 1, 2 to the power of minus 2. That's it. Okay, decimal to binary, the same 101 I am taking. Now it is in the decimal value, right? What is, sorry, the same 5 I am taking. I'm going to find out their binary value. It is decimal value, correct? Decimal means 10. Base value is 10. Okay. 5. I put 5 here because since I want a binary number, I divide it by 2. I get remainder 1. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. Again 2. 1 2s are 2. Remainder 0. Then you have to write 1 0 1 in this format from the bottom to top. 1 0 1. Base value 2, that is binary value. So 101's decimal value is 5. 5's binary value is 101. If this is clear, type yes in the chat box. Let's move on. Okay. Look at this. People who want can take a photo or you can copy. Convert octal to binary. Octal means base value is 8. Octal means base value is 8 and they're asking to go for a binary value. Binary means base value is 2. Okay. So there is a table for octal. Conversion table we call it as. Okay. So 4 rows. Okay, sorry, 4 columns and 8 rows. You have to draw like this. It starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in this order. Here it is 000 first, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, and 111. So this table nobody will give you. You have to memorize the table. Okay, you have to memorize the table. If you know this table, it's cakewalk. What is the value given? 761. So I put 7 here, 6 here, 1 here. Correct? What is the value of 1? Can anybody tell me what is the value of 1? Use your mic. Value of 1 in the table?
001.
001.
I have written corresponding to 1. I have written 001. Like that, the value of 6 in the table is 110. I put 110. Value of 7 is 111. I have put 111. So 111, 110, 001 is a binary value of 761 octal value. Is it clear? Single step, we arrived at the answer. Is it clear? If it is clear, type S in the chat box. Just you have to look at the table and write it. This is for normal value. And the same logic, decimal value comes 71.3. Okay, 0.3. So write like this: 7, 1, keep a point, then 3. Okay. So what is the value of 7? 111 given in the table. What is the value of 1? 001. Return. What is the value of 3? 011. Always put a dot here as usual. So 111, 001 dot 011. Base value is 2. Vijay Savathan, you can mute your mic. Okay, this is clear. When decimal comes, simple operation, put a decimal point. That's it. Same logic. Okay, next one is binary to octal. Okay, binary means zeros and ones. Bi means two, right? Binary means zeros and ones. Right? When you want to put it in octal, how to do that? So first duty is to write the number in three digits. Here, how many digits are there? How many digits are there?
6.
5 digits. 100. 5 digits. So first 3 digits you take and write like this: 011. First 3 digits. Remaining digits I have only 2, 1, 0. So I can add a 0 in front. Clear? Is it clear? This arrow mark specifies in which direction we should replace or we should insert a 0. So when the arrow mark is left hand side, insert a 0 in the left hand side if needed. If arrow mark right hand side, insert in the right hand side if needed. Okay, up to this clear? I have written 010, 011. Is it clear? Up to this clear? Type S in the chat box, quick.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you repeat this, sir? This alone, sir.
Yeah, ma'am, we need to break the number.
Okay, sir.
3 digits. The first 3 digits is fine. 011 I have written. Next
Okay, sir.
3 digits, I have a 2 digit, correct? 10.
Yes, sir.
So this model, we need to insert the 0 in the left hand side.
Okay, sir.
10. 0, 1,
Okay.
the value arrived. Correct?
Okay, sir. Understood.
0 in front of any number will not fetch you any value. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
This is fine. Okay. Now go back to the table. 0, 1, 0. Where it comes? 2. So I put 2 here. This place. 0, 11. Where it comes? Look at the table. Octal table. 3 here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 23 base 8 is the
Hola.
binary number 10011. Is it clear? If it is clear, type S in the chat box. I'll move on to the next model. The same decimal model. Okay, 10.11. 10.11 binary value to octal value is dash. So here already I told you octal means you have to break up the number into 3 digits, correct? Sir, no. 3 digits you have to break the number. Now look at 11 is here after the decimal point. 11 is here. I write 11. And whenever decimal point comes, the 0 should be added in the right hand side, correct? The whole number, if there is a need, the 0 should be added in the left hand side. So 11, I add 10 on the right hand side because it is the decimal value. 10 is a whole value, so I add 0 in the left hand side. Correct? Clear? Now go back to the table. 0, 1, 0. Value 2. I have written 2. 1, 1, 0. Value 6. I have written 6. And I put a decimal point in between. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then hexadecimal to binary. So hexadecimal means the base value is 16. Base value is 16. Okay. So hexadecimal to binary. When the base value is 16, how to convert it to binary? Ramadevi ma'am, kindly close your mic because it will disturb others. You will not know. Usually the mic opening person will not know. Only the other people know. And we are also recording the session. Many of our regular students will watch it in recording. Okay. So hexadecimal, the same logic. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Instead of 10, we call it as A, 11B, 12C, 13C, 14E, and 15F. Clear? Okay, let's explain. As usual, 0 is a value, 0001, 0010, 0011, 0100, 0101, 0110, 0111, 1000, 1001, 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110, 1111. So this table also you have to memorize. There is no other way. If you want to score marks in this subject matter, you have to memorize. Okay. 61, I can break into 6 and 1. Okay. What is the value of 6 given in the table? Value of 6.
0110.
The same I have written here. 0110, correct? For 6. 1, it is 0001. I have written the same. That's the answer for binary. That's all. You got to answer. Schooling methods are different. Our training approach is different. We solve every problem in the most simplest way. Okay. Convert 8AD, so the hexadecimal, to binary. So I write 8A dot D. What is the value of 8? 1000. Value of A, 10, 10. Correct? So I put 10, 10, 1000. Then what is the value of D? 1101.
1101.
That's it, you solved it. That's all. No other class in the internet or in the YouTube, you cannot find this. You can find this type of shortcuts only. We are doing it through our practice. You can explore the same topic, like binary to hexadecimal. You will get a hell of a lot of steps. If you want, you can try. Okay, now binary to hexadecimal. So they are given a binary value 101101. So hexadecimal means, octal means I told you number should be broken 3 digits. Hexadecimal means 16. So number is broken 4 digits. Okay, this is the last 4 digit, correct? 1101 I have written, correct? Then 10 is pending. Okay, 10 only 2 digits. Okay, now with this 10, I should add a 0 in the left hand side or the right hand side?
Left hand side, sir.
Why it is left hand side? Why not right hand?
Left hand side.
Why not right hand?
Whole number we have to add in the left hand side. Sir.
Perfect. Whole number means left hand side. Decimal number means right hand side. Very good. Okay. Then, so 0010 falls under 2. So I written 2. 1101 falls in the D. So I have written D. Answer is 2D. That's all, you solved it. Binary to hexadecimal within a second. But memorizing table is important. If you look at internet or if you go even a computer science teacher, they will be having a conventional method or a traditional method to solve this. They will take around 10-15 minutes. But I am taking 10-15 seconds. That's the difference we make. Okay. Okay, 0011.1100. Sorry, this is the question. 11.110 base value is 2. We need to convert it as hexadecimal. So base value is 16. Okay, last 4 digits correct. But it's a decimal value. So last 3 digit I am having, which is 110. Correct. Now I am adding 0 in which side?
Right side.
Right side, sir.
Why?
For
Because
decimal,
it has
we have
a
to add
decimal
in the right
number to
side.
right
Very
side,
good.
sir.
Decimal value we have to add to the right side. Very good. Let's get back. So remaining 11 is there, correct? Then 11 left hand side we are adding 2 zeros because we should form 4 digit as per the procedure. So 0011 is 3, correct? 0011 is 3 here. Then 1101 is D. Sorry, 1100 is C. As usual, put a dot in between. I forgot to put a dot. Then also I can. You have to put a dot. Clear? If it is clear, type S in the chat box. We'll move to the next model. Kesavan sir, mute your mic. Okay, if you want to convert octal to hexadecimal or vice versa, hexadecimal to octal, binary is a intermediary. Without binary, it is difficult to convert. Okay, decimal to binary means divide the value by 2. Second problem I shown you, I think. Decimal to octal, divide by 8. That's very easy. Octal to hexadecimal, divide by 16. Same procedure what you have done this place. Here it is to binary, you divided by 2, correct? In case of octal, divide by 8. Hexadecimal, divide by 16. Procedure is same. You have to write the remainder in the question.
Sir, the previous slide, 1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So now they're asking you to convert 0.625. It is in the decimal. You have to convert to which model?
Binary model.
Binary, sir.
Very good. Binary model. Okay. So here they are giving only decimal values. Okay. Just a simple procedure, multiply it by 2. And whatever value comes, break it like this. Whole number separate, fraction separate. The number is 0.625, right? I multiply it by 2. I get 1.25, correct? I separate 1, I separate 0.25. Then take the fraction part. I take 0.25 here. This fraction part comes here. Multiply by 2, you will get 0.5. 0.25 into 2 is 0.5, correct? Whole number is 0 and the fraction number is 0.5. Now I take 0.5 again. 0.5 into 2 equal to 1. Okay. The whole number is 1 and the fraction number is 0. So till how many steps we need to do like this? Till you get your fraction 0, it is advised to proceed. Okay, yes, binary because base value is 2. We multiplied it by 2. Very good. So you have to read the number in top to bottom model. Point, because it is a decimal value already. Okay. Base value is 10. You are converting to binary. So you can read like this 101. 0.101. That's all. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one. 0.015625. It is in the binary. People want you to do the same in octal. The same procedure, multiply it by 8, integer separate, fraction separate. Till the point the fraction gets 0, you have to operate the same procedure. Okay, 0.015625 into 8 equal to 0.125. The whole number is 0 and the fraction is 125. I'm sorry for the poor handwriting. It is actually 125. Clear? Then decimal value, I mean the fraction value only we have to take 0.125 into 8 equal to 1000. Again, the whole value is 1, the fraction 0. So we can stop here because fraction is 0. Read in this order. Point is already there here, point. So take the point here, 0, 1. That's all. Clear?
Sir, here, once again, sir, 0.8 is the
Point,
first one in the fractions place 0.50 or what is the, sir? Yeah, 50 or 80?
0.25. So fraction position is 0.125.
Then you have written 50, sir.
Where, madam?
The first place, integer 0 and 0.83 something it is.
Where it is written 0.83, I don't find anywhere in the screen.
The where the plus you have showing that handwriting is not clear.
Ma'am, this value I said, my handwriting is poor here. This value I mentioned 125. 0.125 is the value. Clear?
Okay, sir.
1 minute. Next. Give me a minute. I'm sorry. So it is 0.125. So only 0.125 I'm taking here. Okay. Into 8, that is 1. So now the answer is 0.01. Shivani ma'am, what is your doubt?
Sir, in the previous example, you have written 0.25 into 2 and the answer is 0.5. Why not 0.025?
See, 0.25 is 25 paisa, correct?
Yeah,
25 paisa 2 times 50 paisa, correct?
yeah.
Now what is your doubt then?
But why not 0.025? I didn't get that.
Why not?
How that value has
Ma'am, very
come?
simple. 25 paisa means 0.25, correct?
Yeah.
When 225 paisas
Okay, got it. Yes.
becomes 50 paisa, correct? That is 0.5.
Okay, got it.
Ah. So brush up the basics.
Sir, when the decimal it comes, then we have to write the answer also in the 0.01 like that, sir.
I'm not getting you, ma'am. When the decimal comes,
When the decimal comes in the ICT like this, so when we find in the binary system 1, 0, 1, so on, we have to write in the 0.101 like that. We have to write the answer.
from the top to bottom, you have to write.
Yes, sir. But
in this model, you have to follow down, not the reverse model. Top to bottom, you have to write the only integer value, not the whole value, not the fraction part. Clear?
That 0.101 like that we have to write, sir.
Yes, ma'am, because already point is here, right?
Okay, sir.
The same point I'm putting here, the value 101, that's it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in the bracket 10 is there, then why are we multiplying with the 8, sir?
There, ma'am. Which answer you want to find out, madam? You want octal, right?
10 is there in the bracket, sir.
You just which one? This problem, next problem.
This problem only, sir. And that
8 is here, madam. Why don't you look at this 8? This is question part. Up to this question, this is answer part. Correct? What the answer they are asking, only with that we need to work out. Why we want to work out the question again? Answer part needs octal value, correct? Base value is 8. Answer, I have written it in advance here. This should be blank actually. Okay.
So in the words only they will say, is it, sir? Make it convert into octal part like.
No, they may also say that convert into decimal to octal, or they may say that just they give a blank bracket without any value. In the outside, they will put 8. You have to understand it is decimal to octal. They will not say for decimal, they will not say it is there in the decimal. All numbers are always in decimal. If they don't say anything, they give the number just like that, it is decimal only. You need to look at to decimal to what it is to be converted. So here they are asking for octal, the base value is 8. Always whatever comes first is a question. I mentioned convert 0.015625 base value 10. You have to convert this to octal, correct? Got the point, madam? You read only half of the question. Equal to whatever comes, this is answer part.
Okay, sir. My doubt was the 10 we should not observe. That's what my.
When they are asking you to convert to decimal, then you should observe the 10. Already they are given the 10 base value answer only, ma'am. This is the answer for 10. From that answer, why you want to find out something duplicate? Decimal to decimal, nobody will ask you, right?
Okay, sir.
Decimal to some other model only possible. Decimal to binary, decimal to octal, hexadecimal is possible, correct? Yes, Divya,
Okay.
proceed. What's your doubt? Okay, convert 0. Ma'am, like this they will give. They'll give a blank space and they will give 16. It means you have to convert decimal to hexadecimal, correct? The previous problem, I don't have space to write the answer at the bottom. So I have written the answer here. Usually this should be blank in a question. Is it clear, madam?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, here by converting decimal into octal, here we have written first answer is 0.125 into 8. So we have taken 0.125 into 8. But in the previous for converting.
We don't take the answer. Listen first. We don't take the answer. We take the decimal part. So we have broken this 0.125 as two parts. The 0 is a whole number. 0.125 is a fraction number. That is what I have written here. But it's not clear. It is 125. This 0.125 is taken here. Again multiplied by 8. We don't take this answer itself. Clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So now 0.93 hexadecimal means multiply by 16, right? The same procedure. Now 0.93 into 16 equal to 14.88. So integer separate, fraction separate. 1488. So then I take this 88 fraction part alone to the next step into 16 is 14.08, then 1408. Okay, it means 0.08. That's the meaning. So I write 0.08 into 16, 1.28, 128. I write it as 0.28 into 16, 4.48. Okay. Then 448. Then 0.48 into 16, 7.68. Now the number is repeat again. 1414, 147, 1414, 147. Okay. So I stopped with this because you have 4 options in net. So you can easily find out which option is matching. Okay. Now the answer is top to bottom 14, 14, 1, 4, 7. Correct? Up to this clear? Now go back to hexadecimal table. Hexadecimal table, 14 means by 8, correct? Sorry, 14 means E, correct? Now coming back. Double 14. So E 147 base value 16. It is a decimal value already. So we are putting a decimal point in front. That's all. Okay, clear? Everybody? It needs a little patience to understand and a little more practice to get comfortable with it. So how was the session today?
So the previous screen, sir.
This one, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. So you can use your mic to give the feedback because others may not see your feedback. Thank you, Gauri ma'am, Deepa ma'am, Kingstra ma'am, thank you.
Excuse me, sir, can you show me the first 2 pages?
This is the first page.
Sir, good evening, sir.
This is the second page. Yeah.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. What a wonderful trick, sir. Mostly I lost in that part, this conversion sometimes when it comes for the decimal point. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the
Thank
useful
you.
tips, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
session was very useful. Sir, yesterday I was in travel, so I missed your research aptitude. Can you please share me the link or, the video recorded session, anything, sir, so that I will be able to.
Ma'am, this is only for people who are coming live. Because we have an application for a regular students. For them, they will get a recording. Free sessions, we don't actually, upload into YouTube or any other medium and give it. Because it is double work for us. We need to upload in our Android application separately. We have to upload in our YouTube separately. So time permits, we'll try to do that.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Sir, usually you used to send me to the personal number, sir. Today, stay tuned. You have put the message, but till then the link was not coming. Yeah, I was waiting till 8:30. Then again I went to the test batch. And then there the link has come, so I missed the class.
1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute. I sent the link by somewhere around 8:50. Okay.
From 8:30 onwards, I was waiting, sir. But usually,
Okay. I think that main group you got the link, correct, madam?
Yes, now till 8:35 I was waiting. Sorry, 9:35 I was waiting. Then I
am sending the link to 3-4 groups. I forgot to send in the broadcast to you, but I put it in the main WhatsApp group.
Again, I went back. Any other link you have put, I checked and just now I joined, sir. But
No,
class
no problem.
almost over.
Anyway, this you will get in our Android app, ma'am. You are a regular student, you will get in our Android app.
And that is in the lesson only we have to go and see, sir, in that also.
Yeah, you have to go and see in ICT. I will upload this, both material and video.
Okay, sir. And the doubt session, everything you will be uploading in the.
Yeah, doubt session is separate and this is part of the syllabus. ICT, this is part of the syllabus. So this I will upload in the ICT folder. So you can check out the website and Android app for this video.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Kingstar ma'am, ASCII, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. There is no problems in that, only theoretical part you have to understand.
Sir, is there any chance on questions would come like that?
They may ask you the full form, that's it.
Not even the problems and all, right?
No ASCII problems at all, nothing.
Okay, and for the external binary code,
Try to understand one thing. People from arts, computer science, people from management, commerce, people from languages, literature, everybody writing this NTA net. So they cannot ask anything in depth with the particular syllabus.
Okay.
See, ASCII problem, only the computer science students will know, not everybody, right?
Okay, yeah.
Computer schooling, that's the basics of computer. Only from there, from that area, they can ask questions.
Okay, sir.
Ronnie ma'am, for current batch, we have only recording classes. We don't have any regular classes. We have closed the admission already. And even if we have closed our classes also, we have completed the entire syllabus, we have closed it. Still, if you want to watch recording, you can call me by tomorrow morning, we'll discuss.
Sir, actually, you have told sir, all the paper videos will be you are going to upload it.
Brinda ma'am, I'm not getting you.
Sir, actually, you have told me, sir, that the paper solving videos.
Paper solving videos, I think I shared in YouTube link in your group also, madam.
So not this current one, sir. Before, you have told me, sir, to some 20 hours, paper solving videos are also there with us, ma'am. So
Yeah, that is what I say. That was shared in the main group. If you want, better I try to add in the Android itself, no problem.
Okay, fine, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah,
And thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful tricks.
thank you, thank you. Rani ma'am, I sent my number.
So will you please scroll down a little? Again. Again, some next page. And next to this. Yeah, here. Yeah. Above this. Yes.
Okay. Anybody else? Any other feedback?
Sir, one more thing, sir.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
last sum that we have solved now, so in that 14 we got, sir. So, as it is a 2-digit number, so that's why we had used the table to write that alphabet, now, sir.
Ma'am, it's a procedure. After 10,
Okay.
we need to use the alphabet. That's a procedure.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you all. We'll meet in another online session. Happy learning. Good night. All the best for NET examination. If you need any other clarifications, you can personally message to my number.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.